What's up, unboxing fans, action figure enthusiasts? I'm here with another unboxing from Cotulla, Texas. This is actually the third one I've done today, and all three have been from Texas, go figure, all the way to South Bend, Indiana. If all goes well, next year I'll be going to Texas for WrestleMania. I had WrestleMania tickets for 2020, but that didn't work out. As always, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, check out some of my other videos. Oh, this is a grab box. I won in a sweepstakes thing. So we got a Ted DiBiase and Iron Sheik little Micro Brawler thingy in a Ziploc bag. We've got this Hulk Hogan lithograph thing. I don't know, like a tin thing. I really don't know what it is. We've got a Dean Ambrose Elite. I'm trying. Dean Ambrose Elite. This is series number 48. Next up. Oh, this is a Shield set. I got you. So I didn't pick these, but they're pretty darn cool, I gotta say. We've got Seth Rollins, includes parking lot brawl display. The Dean Ambrose includes exclusive diorama display. So this is another, I think, series 48. I'm looking. I don't see the number offhand. Series 52, my bad. It even has his belly button tattoo. In this line, if you collect the Xavier Woods, Kofi Kingston, Braun Strowman, Ken Shamrock, and D'Lo Brown, it creates the diorama. Last but not least, in this line is top picks, must pick superstars. Must have superstars. Roman Reigns. Also in this line was Braun Strowman, Ricochet, and Seth Rollins. This is... I'm looking. I don't see the number. But pretty darn cool. If the diorama for this one is Kalisto, Dolph Ziggler, Eric Rowan, Cactus Jack, and Boogeyman. Pretty darn cool. Yeah. I don't see the series number. As always, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, and I wish you the best. Have a great day.